listening to the breeze of the trees or the birds sing as peaceful as I do, I know that I've been wrapped up many times in my story, and what's helped me through that is connecting to nature. See, because in nature, everything is perfect. It flows. The trees grow, the leaves fall, the water flows, the birds sing. Everything just happens completely effortlessly. And when you're going through a challenge, walking through that and completely focusing on that helps you connect to that effortless flow that's the truth inside of you. Have you ever gone for a walk and felt completely lost? Walking for an hour and not even realize where you are? Did not realize what you walked through or what you saw? That's what happens when you stay connected to your thoughts, but not to your truth. Our thoughts are just that. They're just thoughts that come through us. Most of our thoughts are based on fear, not reality. And when you walk in nature, whether it's a park, Central Park is one of my favorite places, or just a local pond, or by a lake, or walk along the beach, what you start to realize is that your reality is what's right in front of you right now. Everything else is just a thought and is not real anymore.